Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. This is my Ipsy unboxing for October 2019. If you don't know me, I'm a YouTuber who likes to make videos, unbox, and vlog, also mukbangs and hauls and all that good stuff, reviews, tutorials. If you like any of that stuff, I have playlists. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Okay, let's get into this box. Ipsy is a $25 a month beauty subscription box, and this month is underwhelming. And this is my third time filming this video. Literally, rain came through the window. This is my third time, and I know everything in the box. And am I excited? No. This is the card. It says Flaunted, Betty Boop, and this is the theme. I have a box 135 October 2018. This is what the bag is looking like. You got Betty Boop kicking up on the two BBs with the hearts. Then you have this leathery interior. Then you have sequins on the back and the heart as the zipper. I really wish these were like lips, and this was like in like a leather type of material. And then I wish this was the same material as in the inside, which I'm about to show you right now. This is what the inside looks like. It says Betty Boop times Ipsy, and it has like this red velvet type of satin silk material. So the first thing I'm getting out the way is the Betty Boop times Ipsy That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to open this. This is going to be on my Macari or Poshmark. This retails for $30, and I'm going to sell this for $10. So if you want it, go get it. It will be linked down below. The next thing is Jolie. This is a highlighter stick. This is actually what I'm wearing on my face. I actually put it on my face. It has like a nice iridescent pink sheen. Would I have purchased this? No, because I don't like highlighter sticks. This retails for 26 bucks. This is what the packaging looks like. It has this part, and you just, yeah. This is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like swatched. Rubbed in, it's like a sheen. The next product is the Dr. Brant microdermabrasion scrub. This product did not break me out, but the other two masks that I did try from the line did break me out, so I was kind of a little iffy about this product. That's the reason why I didn't choose this product. This product was one of the products that was like for choice. I just want to know, Ipsy, if you have these products for choice and people don't choose them, probably means that they don't want them. Just saying. Anyways, I'm actually happy to get this. This retails for $79. The next thing is this Farah brush set. This is the Beautiful BU brush set, face brush set. This retails for 48 bucks. Here's what the brushes are looking like. We have the 28 FF, wow, the 20 FF straight brush, the 40 FM stippling brush, looks like that. The 2-in HE end brush. I really like the handles. The last product I got in my box is the No Poreblem Priming Water. You did not get this in your BoxyCharm. You got the No Poreblem Priming Essence. The difference is that the essence is before moisturizer and primer. This is actually a primer, and this actually smooths your skin, which I love. I actually got a little sample in my actual Ipsy, and that's why I chose this product. This product retails for 23 bucks. And here's the little sample. Okay, like I said, underwhelming. The box retails for $206. I paid $25, so of course I got over the $25 mark. With the stuff that I actually like, it retails for $176. So yes, it's over the 125 products dollars that they say that you get every single month. Don't mind my hair. It's raining in New York City, and tomorrow is really, really windy. So this baby is going, just in a bun for 2 days. And this makeup is like literally been on since 6 in the morning. It's 2 o'clock right now, and dang. It's the Smashbox foundation and the Fenty mini lipstick from her new holiday her new holiday line. And then it's like the NARS blushes that I tried in Sephora. I went to Sephora today. I had like a really long day, and I needed to pick me up. And also that's the Ofra and Madison Miller mini palette highlighter. And this eye look is just horrible. It was better this morning. If you have seen that boxy try on video, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and bye you guys.